that I would be good if I got and stayed sick, that I would be good even if I gained 10 pounds, that I would be fine even if I went bankrupt, that I would be good if I lost my head and my youth, that I would be great if I was no longer queen, that I would be grand if I was not all-knowing, that I would be loved even when I numb myself, that I would be good even when I am overwhelmed, that I would be loved even when I was fuming, that I would be good even if I was clinging, that I would be good even if I lost sanity, that I would be good